What happens when you hold in a sneeze will terrify you. Holding in a sneeze can literally explode your throat. That's right. Kaboom! Sorry, throat, my bad. I'm not joking. Your air pressure can shoot back into your skull. One guy ruptured his windpipe just by stifling a sneeze in a meeting. Such a good employee. He should be Employee of the Month. Another? Busted an eye vessel so bad he looked like a horror movie. Ticket, please. And yes, your brain can bleed if the pressure spikes hard enough. Have you ever held in a sneeze in public to avoid sounding gross? In extreme cases, holding in a sneeze can literally cause a mini stroke. Moral of the story, do not hold your sneeze in. Before your next sneeze kills you, hit that subscribe.